Hello everybody, Joel here. So today I made my first purchase for taking videos. It's a Manfrotto tripod that I had purchased from Best Buy. It was about $59 and it is a 61 inch. There was one that was a little bit cheaper, but it was a 58 inch. I wanted a little bit more height, so when I'm recording in the shop, I'll be able to just get that extra bit of height. So we're in the middle of a pandemic here. It is May of 2020, and I had to order this online from the parking lot of Best Buy. I thought I could get in over there. I saw cars in the parking lot, but they weren't going inside yet. So I ordered it off the website, and within about 10 minutes I had a text on my phone telling me that it was ready for pickup. So ran over and got some donuts in those 10 minutes and was able to get this. So we'll go ahead and do a little unboxing. This was the tripod that I have been using. My wife purchased this little tripod, I think off Amazon several years ago. It's been working pretty well. I did a little video on making a repair. The ball had broken, the mount here had broken, so I inserted that screw. I had to drill through the mount here and insert that screw all the way through to hold the spring-loaded attachment, the camera attachment onto it. But it's been working. I've made a few videos with this, but I really felt like it was a good time to get upgraded here to the Manfrotto. Have no idea what I'm getting into. One of the reasons I chose this one was the fact that it did come with the iPhone or the smartphone holder. We'll see how that works. I've been videoing everything with my iPhone, so looks like it's pretty versatile. But we'll go ahead and unbox it, give it a whirl. Well, I've taken the two parts out of the box that were in the box. I have not been able to find a part number. All it is called is the Compact Action Smart Tripod with Joystick Head and Smartphone Clamp. So sounds pretty darn professional to me. But let's take a look and see what we have inside. Here's the smartphone clamp. I can open that up. But it's got a pretty nice, thick, padded bag to it with a nice ripcord and a cinch string here. So this is pretty decent. But I'm going to get this, try to get this camera set up a little bit better on the little tripod so we can get this thing opened up. There we go. Seems like a pretty nice unit. Got the Bosch chop saw doing a little photobomb in the back there. See if we can get this to take up the screen. Yeah, oh, this is very nice. Okay. Instructions. Okay, so I see what they're talking about with the pistol grip. That seems pretty handy. 360-degree movement. Okay, well, let's see what it's going to take to get this mount on the top. So there's a little swivel mount that goes into the very top of the pistol grip. And it looks to me like that's just going to thread into here. And we'll be ready to go. getting that mounted in, and it just locks right in. And there you have it. So that locked in with a little lever switch right here. That goes in and out. Yeah, nice. A little bit of a dial on here. Must be for tightening up and so on. And then there's a nice lever action for extending the legs out to lock and unlock. Very nice. Well, we'll give this a whirl, and I don't know that there's anything else that we really need to look at here, but everything seems, oh, there's a little roller dial to loosen and tighten. Oh, that's a nice feature. Okay, we'll show you that. So on here, there is a roto dial on the pistol grip, and you back that off and that loosens the ball, and you tighten that up, and now that is firm. Very firm, very nice. I think for $59, this was pretty decent tripod. First one I've ever owned. So if you have any comments or suggestions, definitely, I'm still very new at this, so please leave them below. And maybe after using this for a little bit, I'll be able to give a little bit of a review on the Manfrotto. Definitely not sponsored or anything like that. It's just something I picked up and I'm going to try out. But thank you everybody for watching. Okay, I had to get some more video of this new tripod, and this thing is great. So this is extended as high as it will go, right next to my table saw, and that's a great vantage point. I do plan on making some videos of doing some woodworking, so this is going to work out great. So I'll move it here to the front of the saw. Boy, that's fantastic. This is a game changer for me, coming from that very simple little plastic tripod, something a little more robust. Well, that's fantastic. I really like that. Okay, so why don't I'll pull the camera out of this thing and get a shot. So there we go, fully extended with all of the legs fully extended down. Boy, that looks great. Pistol grip locks right into place. You can swivel this. You can go about any direction you want. So really looking forward to using this. Again, thank you everybody for watching this tripod assembly, quick assembly, and just getting it unboxed and set up.